So you might be in a situation where for some reason Instagram suspended your account. So this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Maybe you went through and you kind of posted some crazy stuff on Instagram, or there was some other stuff that kind of happened. There's a lot of different things that can kind of go on. The first thing to remember here, the main reason why you might have a suspended account is usually because maybe you posted something that was against their terms of service. The big thing you can do, like right when you go through and get your account suspended, is usually by going through and looking at the appeal that's at the bottom of the screen. So as you can see, we have this particular appeal. We can disagree with the decision. What we can do is we can go through, we can let them know, hey, we disagree with the decision, and that will basically go through and let Instagram know that they will look into the account a little bit more. So they'll actually go through and they'll actually see, hey, we disagree with the decision. They'll go through, they'll try to see, they'll like have a human kind of look into this situation, and that can end up fixing the situation probably for some people. Now, if that doesn't end up working, sometimes you might need to go through and kind of use the official appeal forms within Instagram. If you look online, there's going to be some types of forms that you can kind of find that are Instagram, appeal forms. So you can type in like Instagram appeal forms like this, and you can then go through and you can see appeal Instagram content decision to oversight board, whatever. You can go ahead and actually get people to actually look on your particular account or something like that, and you can have a human look into your action as well. So sometimes if you just click on select, you can kind of say a little bit more of kind of what's going on inside of these pages. And from there, it'll kind of help you out because you can kind of see that you're running into this type of problem, and that can kind of help you out. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More important than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.